Songbird, today I'm going to show you how to sing higher by building strong vocal resonance with two incredible exercises. So what is vocal resonance and how does it help me sing higher, you may be asking? I'm so glad you asked. Well, you know that feeling of when you're in the shower and you're singing in the shower and you're like going, wow, I sound amazing, because your voice is just like ringing so freely around you. Now, that is literally the sound that you're making. It is bouncing off the tiles of your bathroom because the hard surfaces, right? And it's pinging right back at you, making you feel like your voice is just really like thick and full and ringy, okay? Good news is we can actually create this ourselves, right? We can actually create the feeling of your voice literally bouncing off the bones in your face and your teeth and just like pinging forward so that it actually carries forward and is projected without you needing to push or strain or try hard, okay? How good's that, all right? So we can learn how to build this vocal resonance that gives us that sense of freedom. Now, why does this help you sing higher? Well, when you're able to sing with resonance, you actually take the pressure off the throat. It all just feels really free in the throat. And when you feel free in the throat, i.e. there's no pressure in the throat, you will most definitely be able to sing higher. So let's get on to the two exercises to help you build vocal resonance. Now, if you're loving this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. That way you will never miss a new video that I drop, and you're going to help other songbirds just like you find this video and learn to sing better as well. This is a ming, ming, ming on descending 5 notes. It goes like this. Ming, 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 ming. 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 So when you're actually practicing that, right, what you're doing is you're generating resonance on every part of that word. So that at the beginning, like when you go and you feel the buzz in your face, at the end on the NG, the like ming, right? There's like a lot of buzz happening in the nose area. And then the E, the vowel that we're using for this word is the brightest vowel, which definitely helps to create that beautiful forward resonance you're looking for. Now, if you're hungry for more and you would like to access the full extended version of these exercises targeted to male and female range, you know what? You can get it for free. Just by taking the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy, click on the link to find out more. This is a bois, bois on a major triad. Now, this one really helps to bring the forward resonance by resonating your sound on the hard palate, which is just behind the front teeth. It goes like this. Bois, 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 bois. 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 Now, if you noticed, I sung that with a bit of a smile on my face. That's to help me to keep it very bright by lifting my soft palate. Because when I smile, my soft palate will naturally lift. Want to learn more about how to sing powerful high notes? Click on this video here. You are absolutely going to love it. Now, Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.